Hello friends, today I will be sharing with you a business opportunity that can change your life. A business with the help of which you can earn a great income. A business with the help of which all your dreams will come true. A business that anybody can do, be it a student, be it a housewife, or be it an employee. Anybody can do this. It's a kind of a business that you can do part time as well. And by spending only 2 or 3 hours per day, you can earn a very good income. Friends, this business has changed people's lives. In the next 10 minutes, I will be explaining you what this business actually is. This 10 minutes can change your life. So I have only one request for you guys. Please watch this video till the end. This business is not only happening in India, but all across the world. And it's not a new business. This business has been running successfully for the past 100 years. This business is a part of an industry which is a billion-dollar industry. And it's an industry which produces millionaires every year. So before telling you guys about this business, I want to show you all some actual proofs. These screenshots are payment proofs of the people who have actually generated amazing incomes. This is Mr. M.D. Mohin. Before starting this business, he used to stitch clothes and used to sell them at the railway stations. But today, with the help of this business, he is earning more than 5 lakhs every month. This is Mr. Shivam Goswami. He started this business as a college student. He built the business part-time, and by the end of his graduation, his income touched 5 lakhs per month. This is Mrs. Shibani Mohanty, a housewife who's now earning more than 9 lakh per month. So guys, this business gives equal opportunity to each and every person. And these are a few people who somewhere watched a presentation like this, who decided to start this business, and today they are earning amazing incomes. Before explaining you guys what this business is, how does it work, and how do we actually earn money, before telling all this, I would like to tell you some basic things. And after that, I will tell you how this business module works and how can we build this business. You can see a photograph on your screen. He is Mr. Robert Kiyosaki. He is also known as the financial guru. He was born in a poor family, but today he is a multi-millionaire. He has written a very famous book which is known as Rich Dad Poor Dad. Over 40 million copies of this book has already been sold all over the world. And in this book he has explained the most efficient way of earning money. According to him, there are 4 ways to produce income. The first way is being an employee. Being an employee would mean that you have a 9 to 5 job, or you're working for some company. So in that case you will be an employee. The second category is being self-employed. Being self-employed would mean that you are not working for anyone else. You are working for yourself, like a doctor or a lawyer or a chartered accountant. Third category is being a business owner. Being a business owner would mean that you have your own system, you have people working under you. Some examples of business owners are Tata, Birla, Ambani. Fourth category is being an investor. Investors are the people who don't have their own business, but they invest in other companies. So the basic difference between ES quadrant and BI quadrant is that if we compare population wise, then 95% of the population belongs to ES quadrant and only 5% of the population belongs to BI quadrant. But the most surprising fact is that 95% of the money belongs to BI quadrant and only 5% of the money belongs to ES quadrant. And To earn their share in this 5% of money, employees and self-employed people have to put in lots of efforts, and still they get a limited income, and their income is considered to be active income. The meaning of active income is that if a person actively works, only then he or she will earn the income. The day people stop working, they will stop earning income. Imagine you are a school teacher and you do not go to school for 1 month. Will the school pay you any salary for that 1 month? No, right? Imagine you have a small shop. If for any reason you do not open the shop for a week, will you earn any money for that 1 week? No, right? But this is not the case with BNI quadrant. The people who belong to this quadrant, they earn passive income. The meaning of passive income is that even if the people do not work for any number of days, they will still earn their income. Even if they stop working, still their income will never stop. Now, why does this happen? This happens because the people of this quadrant, they are not working alone. They are working as a team. There's a network of people that works for them. And because of this, the people in BI quadrant have unlimited income. So guys, now I will tell you about this company, about this business module with the help of which you can earn a very good income with no investment. The name of the company is Vestige. Vestige is an Indian company that started on 2nd June 2004 in New Delhi. The company started with 2 products, 2 offices and only 6 distributors. But today the company has over 250 products, 45 branch offices and over 5,000 pickup centers. There are over 1 crore 30 lakh distributors that have already joined Vestige. The first year turnover of the company was 5 crores and the last year turnover was 1100 crores. Vestige has offices in India, UAE, Nepal and Bahrain. And this year's target is that Vestige will start in Saudi Arabia, Oman, Bangladesh, Philippines, etc. The target of 2020 is 20 countries with 5,000 crores of turnover. The highest income in Vestige is over 60 to 70 lakhs monthly. Because of the brilliant plan by Vestige, there are over 5,000 distributors who have achieved their cars and over 140 distributors have achieved their luxury cars. Vestige has organized over 24 foreign trips for its distributors. Talking about the Vestige management, the managing director of Vestige is Mr. Gautam Bali and the directors are Mr. Kanwarbir Singh and Mr. Deepak Sood. So before telling you guys how this business module works, I would like to share a small concept with you. So what happens in the traditional sales channel is that whichever product is available in the market, it will have a sales flow. I will explain the sales flow with an example. When you buy a 10 rupees worth pen, what do you think is the manufacturing cost of that pen? Guys, that 10 rupees pen was manufactured in just 2 or 3 rupees. Then why are we paying 10 rupees for a pen that should cost 2 rupees? This happens because there are many people that come between manufacturer and consumer, and these people take their commissions. That is why whenever we purchase any product in the market, we are actually paying 70 to 80% extra money. And this 80% extra money is distributed among distributors, wholesalers, retailers and ad agencies. And these people earn in lakhs and get richer and richer, and we, the consumer of the products, we do not earn any income. Instead, we pay them the money so that they can earn more. And this sales flow not just happens with that 10 rupees pen, but it happens to all the products that we buy from the market after watching ads on TV, newspaper, internet, etc. So what is Vestige doing so differently that the consumer is buying products and earning money as well? Vestige manufactures all the products on its own and directly sells it to the consumer. Guys, Vestige manufactures more than 250 products. This is the official website of Vestige, and I will show you some of the products on this website. As you can see, these are all brands of Vestige: Ayusante, Enerva, Invigo, Lighthouse, Zeta, High-West, Assure, Dentassure, Mr. of Milan, Skin Formula 9, Truman, Agri 82 and Westcare. These are a few health supplements by Vestige. As you can see, this includes neem, aloe vera, amla, colostrum, spirulina, ganoderma, etc. All these supplements are organic and they are very important for a healthy body, for fitness, immunity, detox and rejuvenation. Next brand is Ayusante. All the health supplements of Ayusante are based on Ayurveda. Next we have Enerva, which focuses on a high nutrition breakfast. Next we have Invigo, which is a brand for nutritional protein powder and energy drink. Moving on to Lighthouse, which has rice bran oil and olive oil. Then we have Zeta brand, which has Zeta tea and Zeta coffee. Moving on to the next brand, which is High-West, which has exclusive range of hygienic home care products. Next we have Assure brand that has all the personal care products like shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, face wash, body wash, cleansing soap, face cream, body lotion, deodorants and several other personal care products. Next we have Dentassure that has all the oral care products. Next brand is Mistral of Milan, which is a cosmetic brand for the women. Then we have our next brand, Skin Formula 9, which provides all the advanced skincare products. Next we have Truman, which has exclusive range of men's grooming products. After that we have Agri 82, which has all the agriculture related products. Then we have Westcare, which is an instant pain relief cream. So now I just gave you all a quick overview of all the products that are manufactured by Vestige. One thing that I would like to clear, on the official website of Vestige, you saw the MRPs of all the products, but you don't get the products on MRP. Vestige gives 10 to 20% of discount on all its products. So consumers buy the products at a discounted price. Along with this, Vestige also gives a 30 days money back guarantee to all its consumer. Vestige manufactures all the products on its own and directly sells it to the consumers. So all the people that were there between manufacturers and consumers are not there anymore. And the company says that the 80% of the money that was earlier distributed amongst all these people, now it will be distributed amongst all the consumers. But how will this happen? So Vestige has engineered a plan to do so. Every month a family does some kind of shopping. Every month they will buy FMCG products. The full form of FMCG is fast moving consumer goods. like shampoo, toothpaste, hair oil, body lotion, cooking oil, tea, coffee, etc. This is every family's monthly requirement. So Vestige says, instead of buying all these products from the market, buy them from Vestige. And when you are satisfied with the products and you like the products, then you can tell or recommend these products to your friends, family, colleagues, neighbors, etc. Just how when you watch a good movie, you tell about it to your friends, your colleagues, and you recommend them to watch that movie. Or when you go to a restaurant and you like a particular dish, you come back home and you talk about it to your friends, your family, and you recommend them to try that restaurant and that particular dish. Similarly, when you start using Vestige products and when you start liking them, you will naturally start talking about it to your friends. You'll start recommending those products to your friends. And slowly people will start using the products and you will start earning income. And when your network of people will increase, your income will also increase. Now I will explain you how this business module works and how is the income generated. So let's assume that you used Vestige products for 1 month and you liked them and you recommended them to 6 of your friends. You told them about the products, about the plan, and because of that they also joined Vestige. They also got 10 to 20% of discount on all the products, and instead of shopping from the market, they also shopped from Vestige. In that case, your first month income will be 350 rupees, which will be reflected in your bank account. Now let's assume that you helped these 6 friends to join 6 more people under them, and they also shopped from Vestige. Then your second month income will be 4,000 rupees. And as your network grows, your income will also increase. And your third month income will be 40,000 rupees. And the fourth month income will be 4 lakh rupees. Now I can understand that if you are doing this business part-time, then in 4 months you might not be able to build such a huge network. It's completely okay. If not 4 months, then maybe 1 year. If not 1 year, then maybe 2 years. If not 2 years, then maybe 3 years. If not 3 years, then maybe 4 years. Even if you take 4 years to reach an income of 4 lakhs per month, then what is the harm in doing this business part-time? Will you ever be able to achieve an income of 4 lakh per month with any kind of job? I don't think so. Friends, there are so many benefits of doing this business. The very first benefit is that you'll get an extra income. You'll get financially free. You can do whatever you want to do. You'll get the time freedom. You'll get free foreign trips because the company gives travel fund, car fund, house fund to all the distributors who have achieved good levels. You'll have a good health by using the amazing products of Vestige. You'll get the recognition, and finally you'll be able to get a passive income. After working with Vestige, a time will come that even if you do not work at all, still you'll get your income every month. And these are some awards and certifications that completely justifies the quality of the products. The MD of Vestige, Mr. Gautam Bali, was rewarded as the most admired leader of Asia, and Vestige was awarded as the most admired brand in India. In 2017, Vestige was awarded as the best company of the year. These are some of the photos of car achievers in Vestige. People who were able to achieve their luxury cars such as Audi, BMW, Mercedes, etc. with the help of Vestige. Your photo can be the next in this album. If you liked the presentation and you want to join Vestige and start this business, then you can contact the mobile number mentioned in the description box below. If you have any doubts regarding this business, you can write your question in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, then share this video with your friends and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Wish you wealth.